Hey guys, let me show you how to make these rice noodles. It is so sweet and I am sure you'd enjoy it.
Just cook it yourself.
I'm using this particular rice stick. You can use any one. I'm using 200 grams of it, which is half of the rice noodle. Then I would soak it with cold water and let it sit for 30 minutes. If you're new to this channel, my name is CIY Babe. Just like DIY, I believe you can cook it yourself. On this channel, I make food from different cultures, pretty much anything that catches my fancy. For that reason, the next video is always a surprise. Whatever you see that makes it to this channel, I have tried it before filming, so the recipe works always and you can definitely try this. To encourage me to keep bringing you videos from different cultures, please subscribe, like, share this video, and follow me on Instagram, TikTok at CIYBabe. It encourages me to keep making videos. So this is the prep for all the veggies. It is the longest part of the process. For this spring onion, the white part and the green part goes in at different times. So after chopping, put them in 2 different bowls. After chopping all the vegetables you intend to use, the next thing is to blanch the vegetables. The first vegetable I am blanching is spinach. It goes into the boiling water for 30 seconds and then I take it out of the boiling water into cold water. This helps to preserve its green color and it helps to preserve nutrients as well. To the same boiling water, I am adding in the carrots. This is also 30 seconds. It is quite optional to add salt when you're blanching. To me, it doesn't make a lot of difference, so I just use plain water. The reason I am blanching the mushroom is because it reduces the brownish color that comes out when you are eventually cooking it. Aside that, it doesn't really make a lot of difference. Once you're done with that, put some water on fire and cook the already soaked rice noodles. This cooks very fast, maximum of 3 minutes. So try to stay on top of it so it doesn't get soggy. This doesn't go into cold water. I put it straight into the plate because I like my food hot. Next, I am cooking my shrimp. I know you didn't see that process, but I added garlic oil. I have the video on my channel. Just click and you'd find it. To this shrimp, I have added garlic, ginger, the white part of the spring onion, a little bit of salt, and soy sauce. Once it was cooked through, then I added the green part of the spring onion and then took it off the fire. I am also adding the same set of spices for the mushroom. So ginger, garlic, a bit of salt, soy sauce, and the white part of this spring onion. Once it's cooked through, then I'd add the green part of the spring onion and then take it off the fire. Each of the side dishes took about 5 minutes or less to cook. Here is my chicken broth. I am just warming it. I have cooked it from earlier in the week. I do like my food hot, like I said, so I am boiling the meat broth. If you want it to be cold, you can always serve it cold. So to plate your food, put some of the rice noodles into your plate. These 200 grams actually fed 2 people. Then put in your spinach, carrot, the shrimp, the mushroom, and then the chicken broth from earlier. I have also added boiled eggs. Then here's the star of the show, the chili pepper. I do have the video on this channel as well. It is absolutely nice. You need to try it out. Then I am topping it up with sesame seed, which is quite optional. And here is how it came out. Thank you for watching this video till the end. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.
Just
Bye.
cook it yourself.